Hello, beautiful. If you're new here, my name's Kenna. I own and operate Kenna's Crystals. We have a team of 5 people. I'm the 6th. So although I do have a small business, it is large scale. You guys absolutely loved the last unboxing video, so we're back to do it again. Underneath me right now is a massive box of crystals. I source crystals from all over the world. I like to keep my inventory fresh and new. It takes me hours, days, weeks, months to source some of this stuff. And I'm really picky when it comes to quality, uniqueness, ethical sourcing, conscious sourcing, sustainable sourcing. Those are all really important things to me. That's why I often don't take requests, because I kind of just purchase with my heart, because this is my passion and my soul. My stuff sells out so fast, it's insane, but that means I must be doing something right. Let's unbox these and see what I got this week. Okay, the first thing we're gonna get into is naturally iridescent pyrites. These are insane. It's pyrite on quartz. The actual pyrite cubes themselves have kind of like a calico vibe going on. They're like rainbow. I haven't seen them in person yet. I need to have a word. Every supplier that saran wraps anything, I know it's extreme, but I literally
threaten not to do business with them.
But of course we reuse all the bubble wrap that we ever receive and all the materials. Now that that's said and done, and guys, I know I could just not say any of this stuff, but I like to keep it real with y'all, because authenticity is also something that I value very highly, especially with like the growth of social media. It's just like so hard to take things at face value anymore, and I want to be someone that you can. Oh my God. I already see little ones peeking through. I fear this is gonna take me 10,000 years. Oh my gosh, wow. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. How cool. Wow. There's like blues, greens, oranges, purples. It's amazing. I just think these pieces are so unique and like just amazing. It's like radiating like one of those like rich people, but they're not full of themselves. They just radiate like positive vibes, and you're just so like jealous and envious of them, but in a good way. That's how these make me feel. That's the energy from these, is like bad energy. These are so cool. I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox the rest and then I'll show you, because we'd be here for a while if you sat through me unboxing all of this. Guys, oh my God. This is amazing. I'm obsessed. So I was correct. This literally took me forever. It took me until the end of the day. So this is everything that we unboxed. The camera really doesn't do them justice, but the colors are insane. The formation of the quartz, like the sprays of the quartz crystals, are just amazing. There's a variety of sizes. They're all completely different. I don't think there's any two that are alike. It's just gonna be literal hell for listing on the website, but it's worth it. Like, look at these beautiful pieces. Oh my gosh. It's kind of giving bismuth with the color scheme. These are super rare and are found in very small pockets in Indonesia. Contrast of the gorgeous rainbow of the pyrite against the quartz is just insane. The iridescence actually comes from iron on the surface that has oxidized, or other secondary minerals that have formed on the surface of the pyrite. Some of these pieces include clear quartz scepters, which mean a clear quartz point formed, and then another clear quartz point grew on top of that one. The display of color is truly unreal, and these are known as spiritual gateway to like a kaleidoscope of different opportunities. And that's why I think they'll be perfect for our spring restock. Can't wait. Okay, let's dive into this Indian material with the big boy. The big boy is in here and I can't wait to open her. Okay. I actually hate raspberries because they scare me, because I looked inside of them one time and it had like black things all around it, and I ate it anyway because it's not going to kill me. Now I refuse to look inside of them. I will just eat them so I can enjoy them again. And with that, I'm done. Strawberries. Why did I think this was a fork this morning? Today is today for you, and today it is tomorrow for me. Yesterday, the pyrite took me all day to unbox, and I don't want to talk about it. I'm full. This is empty. I don't need lunch. I don't want to eat out of plastic. Fine. Bye, can you bring me my water? Thank you. Come give me a kissy. Now these I can unbox because they're not wrapped 5 million times. Ignore the girls having a great time downstairs. I can never. I love Blue Chalcedony. Plur. Say plur. Now these come from India, and some of them are Blue Chalcedony, some of them are amethyst. Like this is amethyst. Amethyst with a bit of calcite. Gorgeous. And this matrix is not concrete, it is natural. It's like what it grows in. We're gonna start off with all the smaller pieces, and then I'm leaving the big one to the end, mostly because I don't want to pick it up. These are my favorite thing to unbox because they are all so different. Like they're so unique, like none of them are the same. I'm gonna start doing this extremely fast. This is gorgeous. Are you kidding? It's like a blue amethyst with oakenite. Now I could just cut this open, take the piece out, and throw all of this out, but look at all this material we can use. I've seen other unboxings. I've seen a lot of unboxings. Do better. There's no reason why you can't use this. It was used once. Minimize your impact, especially if you're selling crystals. This should be something that matters to you. And if it doesn't, you should really reevaluate. You're joking. Look at that scolecite spray in there. Oh. Okay, back to fast travel. No, wait, I have more to say. I also think, to crystal shop owners, taking your time to really open your product, let that enjoyment last. Doing things slower in life regulates your nervous system. Opening them is such a meditative practice, and each one deserves time and appreciation. Because then you can really take in the beauty of what you're opening and the fact that this grew from the earth. Like the pyrites yesterday, I was looking at them and you can see the matrix, and then you can see where the quartz grew, and then the pyrite grew on top of it. It's insane that even exists, but we see so much of it, we're exposed to so much of it that wonder kind of fades for some people. That's why I get so offended when people call them rocks, because like, how can you diss something that literally did nothing to you? Something that is arguably one of the most treasured substances in the world. It's insane to me. I have no words for this one. Look how perfect the cubes of apophyllite are. The little snowball is insane. I was just thinking about how I said crystals, unwrapping crystals should be like a meditative practice almost. Yesterday was a little too meditative, so take what I say with a grain of salt. It's like venom growing in the crystal. It's a vibe. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Dude, for real. Oh my god. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't supposed to go in the water. When you knock, say, it's Denise. Sorry, Denise. Y'all. Oh my god. The morganite is so cool on this piece. Okay, this is very niche, but if you watch Twilight, this reminds me of like those three-head vampires. The gang's all here. The gang's all here. This is that lot. We still have another box to open, but there is a massive piece in here and two big boxes. So take a look at the ladies, because they're leaving now. Stunning. I don't know how to go about this. You're joking? Oh, I was like, that's a lot of morganite. Oh gosh, okay. Wow, interesting. I'm gonna keep that. Oh, look at those apophyllites. This is heavy as heck. Oh my god, the red heulandite down at the bottom. Holy, I need to put this down. Okay. It's slippery. She's perfect. She is so gorgeous and confident. I want to be her. Oh my good lord. Wow. This one is just so gorgeous. Wow.
Clear all
I know. I know.
Oh, look at the rainbows on this one.
Aren't you proud of me?
That's crazy.
my car. In my car. He's like, where do I put it?
I know. So strong.
Just George's. Hi. I think this will fit in a D-bin.
I feel enlightened. I've never seen anything like that in my entire career. Ever. Oh my gosh, these are peach still bites with green apophyllite. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited for these. This one is like fully peach still bite with like a huge chunk of green apophyllite. Wow, I'm quivering after that. No. What does apophyllite mean in Greek? I just don't want to say this wrong. Apophyllite comes from the Greek word flaky. Let me get you more context. Yeah, the name apophyllite comes from the Greek word apophylizo, meaning it flakes off. This queen living true to her name. It had to happen. Okay. Wait, this is wicked coated. The glasses probably have terrible glare, so I'm just gonna be a mouse. That's as loud as I'm going. Anyways, the reason that the zoning. Oh, it's like phantoms. Oh. It's okay, a lot of them have it, but apophyllite are like literally thousands of layers, kind of like a feldspar. So it's bound to happen. I mean, it's never happened to me before. I collect all the crumbs.
Zoning just refers to the different colors or different concentration of color in different sections of the crystal structure. You most commonly see it in apophyllates and fluorites.
It's snowing outside too. This is beautiful. I'm so happy. Genuinely. Genuinely, because these are beautiful. And Gorgina downstairs changed my life. Like, speaking of the earth and her beautiful creations, I will not stop thinking about her. Lisa, I see you. Anyone that actually bought a house has a home. That's gonna eat. And this one too. She's sitting here like, no, this is giving mask. Gorgina was giving mother. This is giving father. It's actually giving brother. It's giving son. Charles. Period. Also, if I feel a crystal is kind of like gonna break, I will break it. I'd rather sell it as broken or imperfect rather than ship it and not only have the crystal break, but also the customer, when they open it, their heart will shatter. Okay. How much caffeine does this have? 144. They're really affordable. They're disgustingly affordable for what they are. Which, I want to talk about pricing. Touchy subject, but like, there are some people that come for me for my prices. Honestly, I don't care. I do not care what anybody thinks. But I did want to mention that there are shops that mark up their products 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. I'm not going to say anything negative about it. I'm just saying that that's a reality, and we don't do that. So when people bash my prices, it's like beyond disrespectful to me because they don't know what they're talking about, and we price as fair as we possibly can. Someone did an unboxing, and I love her. I love the unboxing. It's so cutie. I love when you guys do unboxings. And if you're not comfortable, that's fine. But if you are comfortable, I love a good video because not only does it give me ASMR for some reason, just like seeing something that was in my hands that I picked and then you're holding it is just so surreal. That's the word. Because like I'm touching all of these, but eventually these will be in 50 different hands. You know what I mean? 50 different homes. It's insane. And all I see is your guys' names and your order notes. And although I love that, I would love to get to know you guys better. So back to my main point, which was I don't know. What was I saying? What was I saying? And no, I don't just act like this for the camera. Unfortunately, I act like this in real life, and it's worse. But I'm level-headed. Okay, I got a good head on my shoulders. A little bit of personality. Shut up right now. Okay, ready? Bow. And then there is a cave in the back. Oh. Daniel went for lunch and brought me back some Peter's Drive-In. I'm lactose intolerant, but I can never give up milkshakes. We're gonna speed run the rest of this because we're losing daylight. Okay. What? What's up? Okay, sounds good. Thanks for doing that. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye. Okay, back to it. Literally stunning. I am so happy with all the apotholites this time. I still have one more box, but the day has run out. And in the next unboxing video, I'm going to give you lots of knowledge and insider scoop. This time I just wanted to show you the material, let the material speak for itself, but I hope to do more unboxings in the future and educate you guys more on where these come from, how they form, really cool fun stuff like that. But yeah, this was the haul for today. Like I said, I have one more box, so I will do that next week. Also, for the website, anything that's out of stock, we are going to add a little button that says notify me when available, so that when those things come back into stock, which is very rare, but it happens, like these have come back a year later, you'll get an email or a text. I'm not sure which one. I think it's probably email when it's back in stock, and then you can come shop the collection. This was a very chill video. Let me know what you guys think down below, what your favorite crystal was, and I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye.